Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to copy text from ChatGPT in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to copy content from ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To copy text from ChatGPT, first of all, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device or on your computer. Once you are on the main screen, open the chat that contains the text you want to copy. I am going to copy the content from this conversation. Tap and hold on the text until a pop-up menu appears. From the pop-up menu, choose the copy option. You can also select specific text from the conversation. For this, choose Select Text from the pop-up. A new screen will appear. Tap and hold on the text until selection handles appear, then adjust the handles to cover the text you want to copy. After selecting the text, tap the copy option. The selected text is now copied to your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere on your mobile or computer.